In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transform into Ozaru and Dragon Block C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are plenty of Saiyan transformations in Dragon Block C, and Ozaru is no exception. So to do this transformation, you will need to meet two requirements, and it's actually quite easy. So first, you must be a Saiyan with a tail. If you meet this requirement, then the only other thing that you need is to do this during the night. So it must be nighttime and it must be a full moon. So to check, look up at the moon and see if it is full like this. If you don't want to wait or you want an alternative method, you can use the Powerball key technique to simulate a full moon at any time of the day. As long as you are able to do it during the night on a full moon, or you use the Powerball, whatever works, you will be able to transform into Ozaru. So to do this, look straight up during the night and then press the transformation key, whatever you have it set to. And then as long as you look up and you press the option to transform while meeting those two requirements, so during a full moon or you use the Powerball, you will be able to transform into Ozaru. So this is a special form accessible only for Saiyans with a tail. If both of these conditions are met, you look straight up, hold the transformation key, you will transform. This will give you a small stat boost and a small damage reduction. This will give you access to Golden Ozaru as well and Super Saiyan 4 if you have DBGT mode enabled. Golden Ozaru will give you a plus 25 stat boost and 16% damage reduction. If you have enough points in your ratio skill with DBGT mode on, you can transform beyond this to access Super Saiyan 4. So just look up during a full moon, and if you are a Saiyan with a tail, you will be able to transform. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into Ozaru and Dragon Block C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.